Last day in Taipei. Gonna go check out Chiang Shek Memorial, Taipei 101, and potentially get a haircut, like super short haircut. Here's the outfit, so cozy. Got my keychain I got from Jason. It's the cat bus from Ghibli. I'm at Ying soymilk. It's very popular. A lot of people are here. Let's see if it's actually good. I see other people do this, so I'm gonna copy them. Okay. So many drinks. This is my second drink and it's only noon. I'm trying to find this hair salon and I think I'm in the right building. I'm not sure if this is a residential, but we'll see. Alright, that was not it. It was a medical clinic for elderly people. They were looking at me all shocked. I found the hair salon. But get a haircut. We've been using Google Translate. My long hair. I'm on a milk tea diet. Just finished with the massage. It was good. I got the Thai massage. It was really good. After massage. Did an outfit change. I noticed in Asia, well, in East Asia, they dress more conservatively here. Like you don't see people showing their cleavage or even legs too, so I wore a stockings to blend in. Got my new hair. What do we think? I like it. I feel so light. I feel like Dora the Explorer. Let's go. Taipei 101. the Taipei. It's a Taipei exclusive because it's got the chiang, the Taipei 1010. Charles Keith is all over Asia. I think it's Singapore brand. Let's try the original. There's a line. Alright, I'm gonna head out. I'm not down to wait 3 hours for Din Tai Fung, and the rest of the restaurant here, the sit-down restaurant, has a wait. I'll just go get something to eat at Raohe Night Market as originally planned. Thank you. Bye. I'm not sure what this is. It looks like skin.
上面的时候尽量在水里面，因为你，浮在越表面的时候，它在尾巴在拍会把像我刚那样拍破，所以上来这边快进。有没有炸
？The next day.
So this Hello Kitty terminal is located at the Taipei airport. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but this is in Terminal 2. Make sure to check it out. It's a great photo op. These kiosks are non-functional, but it's kawaii. Oh my gosh, that's the plane right there. Let's see. Yeah, there's different kinds. This one is Baxmero. Tama. There you go. The squad. Is that a hair dryer? It is. Oh my. Oh, look at that. Have a nice trip. I'm at the Oriental Club Lounge. I saw that there's a mini buffet, so hopefully it's good. Oh, they have instant noodles. Look, the view of the city. No way, they got dumplings. What? Kimchi hot pot. Really chilling. There's more fried stuff. What's this? You can order also. Freshly prepared. Oh, that's fire. Alright, so this is what I got. Some shumai, some bun, rice, pork, and noodle, and some fried noodles. Cool. Thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe.